We offer a full range of services in Burnsville, which would include hoarding, biohazard scenes, suicide, homicide, or drug-related services. And in the past year, we have helped several clients with death-related services in the Burnsville area. So the process really starts when the customer calls us for help. We take their information and we set up a time to meet with them on the job scene. And during that time, we'll meet with them, go over the scope of work, and help them file any insurance-related paperwork at that time. Depending on the job situation, we usually try and start within a day. Sometimes it's quicker. Again, just depends on the situation. You know, the consequences for not hiring the proper company would lead to improper work. Unfortunately, it's really easy to say that you can clean up biohazards, but oftentimes companies like ours that do this focus more on fire and water cleanup services and just do this on the side. What sets us apart is we are full-time staff. All of the staff has third-party biohazard-related certifications. And so, you know, when you work with Scene Clean, we like to think you are working with the best.